To edit a video with a blurred background like that, we can use CapCut application from smartphone. After CapCut application's opened, select New Project. Then select the video that you want to make the background blurry. If the footage is already in the timeline, select Overlay in the menu. After that, import the same clip. Enlarge this footage using 2 fingers until it looks slightly larger than the main footage. After that, select Cutout in the menu. And then select Remove Background. Wait until the background removal process is 100% complete. This feature will work optimally if the footage has good contrast between the subject and the background. When the background removal process is complete, return to the main menu. Select Effects. Then select Video Effects. From the Effect options in Basic section, choose Blur Effect. In Adjust setting, just specify the blur level. If it is set, select Checklist. Extend the blur effect layer all the way to the end of the video. If you don't want an outro clip from CapCut appears, delete that part of the layer. For better results, you can add color gradations before exporting the project. And the result will be like this. That's how to make the video background blurry like a bokeh effect. And thanks for watching.